Alright, now I'm going to show you the most important tool a man has. Oh, crap. What the f is he doing now? In my kingdom for a rag. Where the hell did I put him? No, this is not the most important tool, but it is a close second. Nice. Keep them nice as long as I can. Look at all the crap that's on it. Nah, this is pissing me off. So, I'm going to show you the most important... What the hell am I doing?
I'm going to give you the keys to the Lamborghini.
Alright, so what's the most important tool? Write down in the comments. Pause it right now. Tell me, what do you think is the most important tool a man could have? I'm waiting. Alright, I'm going to show you right here. Most important tool. Bam! Bam! Oh yeah. What am I going to do now? Well, first you gotta oil it. Always oil this thing. This is one of the old school Wahl. Made in USA. Got a little bit of tool oil here. Hoping they told me what it's made of, but my hunch would be with some sort of lanolin based oil. Or petroleum. Alright. Should we do this?
Make it so, or the world you know is gone.
Nobody likes neck beard. What the hell's going on?
Chuck Norris.
Yeah. Yeah. Manly look. Manly. Lumberjack beard.
Who wants a mustache ride?
I like trimming my mustache because I don't like eating hair. And I bite out of pancakes or...
What's the matter? Your mama didn't teach you how to chug?
Cheeks, gotta get them clean. And the neck, yeah, I'll give yourself that Chad jawline.
This is my rifle, this is my gun. This is for fighting, this is for
fun. Nice. He's actually cut. Don't want to cut my frickin' lip. Some of these straight ones. What do you think? So, personally, I like doing it dry.
Oh.
You know, this thing works great. It's not actually like retro, whatever BS. It's actually a fairly new model. These are dirt cheap. I remember in the military, when I was running late, I had a hot date the night before, I'd be shaving dry in the parking lot in my rearview mirror.
I am all that is man.
Anyways. Now, yeah, you're gonna get red. Ugh. Feels good. You want to wipe off the excess. The benefit of using this regular rubbing alcohol
Cheap booze?
is that it actually toughens the skin, makes it a lot easier to shave.
That's why we use Gold Bond powder.
Gold Bond powder, you are a friend of mine.
Disinfects whatever, you may have a nasty blade and whatnot. When you're done, again, I like to make sure this is all. I got an old toothbrush. You get in there, get in there. Put your cover back on.
I'll take anal bum cover for $7,000.
And if you do it in your garage, you don't have to worry about cleaning up the mess in the bathroom or wife or girlfriend yelling at you. Like, what did you do? You clogged the sink. No sink to clog here. There you go. Ugh. What did I say about the freaking gravity? Let's take the thing off. What in God's name is going on there? Ow. Oh, that's what happened. It nodded. There we go. Back to work.
You're a golden